pork chop sandwich.
I got 2 center cut pork chops. Pork chops pounded out. So we're gonna hit it with some lawry seasoning salt. Let's hit it with some onion powder. Hit it with some black pepper. Of kosher salt and black pepper. Get it coated. Shake the excess off. Beautiful chops in there. Right, for the real simple sauce, we just got Miracle Whip, and we got that good old Dijon mustard. Tablespoon, half of tablespoon. So we're getting our bread toasted off. Let's get that down first. Bam, lettuce. And we're gonna top that boy out, just like the hair. Winner, I got this pork chop sandwich.